Create a Hostinger account. Hey everyone, what's up? Paiva here with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to create a Hostinger account step by step. First, I invite you to subscribe. I make various tutorials to help you out. There are similar videos. If you have questions, check the card and playlist for more. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Hostinger account. Leandro, what's Hostinger? What kind of site is it? Guys, Hostinger is a global web hosting and domain company. They offer shared VPS, cloud, and dedicated hosting plans. Hostinger is known for affordable, user-friendly plans, great for beginners and small businesses. It has 24/7 support, site builder, free SSL, and access to CMS like WordPress. So I'll leave the direct registration link below in the description. Clicking the description link, you'll reach the home page. Scroll down to choose your hosting. Which hosting plan would be best for you? The most popular is the business plan at $17.99 per month. Other options include Premium and Cloud Startup at $49.99 monthly. This one's most popular due to its value for money. You'll find more plan details below. The $17.99 plan allows for up to 100 sites. It states you can host up to 100 websites on this plan. Of course, you must respect the plan's limits listed below. For example, you have 200 GB of storage. So with 100 sites, you can't exceed that 200 GB limit, okay? This plan includes daily backups, unlimited free SSL, and unlimited bandwidth. Hover over the question mark for more details. You also get free email with up to 100 accounts. A free domain is included worth $. Free CDN is provided but no dedicated IP. Most beginners don't need a dedicated IP, folks. Scroll down a bit to see more info about this plan. It even includes 150 professional templates. To choose this plan, click Add to Cart and enter your payment info. Here you'll select your preferred billing period. Monthly billing is $64.99 per month. The longer your plan, the less you pay overall. So if you sign up for a full year, 12 months, you'll only pay $. For 24 months or 2 years, it drops a bit more to $. And for 4 years, you'll pay just $. Remember, the first month you pay doesn't include a free domain. If you choose the 12-month plan, you save $480 and get a free domain for a year. To sign up for this plan, just scroll down and create your account. You can register with email or more easily, use Facebook or Google. I usually pick Google, select my email and sign up quickly. After choosing your email, scroll down to select a payment method. Options include credit card, Pix, QR code, bank slip, PayPal, and CoinGate. So you'll choose which payment method you want to use. Then if it's a card, enter the details and click Send Secure Payment at the bottom. If there's an active discount code, I'll leave it in the description for you guys. Just check the description link to see if there's a discount code available. Once everything's filled out, click Send secure payment here. Your login, registration, and website info will be sent to your email. That's it, folks. Signing up with Hostinger is super quick. Any questions? Just leave them in the comments. Don't miss my upcoming Hostinger videos. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials. That's all for now. Take care, God bless, and thanks.